Jamaican-style lasagna is a delightful fusion of Italian and Jamaican flavors. To make Jamaican-style lasagna, you can add some Caribbean-inspired ingredients and spices to your traditional lasagna recipe. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. Welcome to Oscar Island Style, your virtual gateway to a culinary paradise where the flavors of the tropics come to life in every dish. I'm your host, Oscar, and I'm here to take you on a mouth-watering journey through the vibrant and exotic world of island-inspired cooking. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a beginner in the kitchen, you've come to the right place to explore the tantalizing tastes and rich cultural heritage of island cuisine. From sizzling jerk chicken to refreshing coconut-infused cocktails, we've got it all covered. So, grab your apron, dust off your taste buds, and get ready to embark on a culinary adventure that will transport you to the sunny shores of the Caribbean, the Pacific, and beyond. Subscribe now and hit that notification bell so you never miss a delicious moment on Oscar Island Style. Jamaican-style lasagna is a delightful fusion of Italian and Jamaican flavors. To make Jamaican-style lasagna, you can add some Caribbean-inspired ingredients and spices to your traditional lasagna recipe. Here's a basic recipe to get you started. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients. For the meat sauce: 1 pound ground beef, or mix of beef and pork or ground turkey. 1 pound bag of your favorite frozen vegetables. 1 large onion, finely chopped. 2 cloves garlic, minced. 2 bell pepper, diced, any color you prefer. 1 Scotch bonnet pepper or habanero pepper, adjust to your desired level of spiciness, remove seeds and finely chop. 1 can, 14 ounces, crushed tomatoes. 1 cup tomato sauce, or your favorite pasta sauce. 1 tablespoon of herbes de Provence. 1 tablespoon of thyme. 1 teaspoon allspice. 1 teaspoon paprika. Salt and pepper to taste. For the cheese mixture: 15-ounce ricotta cheese. 1 cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 egg. Salt and pepper to taste. Other ingredients: lasagna noodles, cooked al dente. 2 cups shredded mozzarella cheese. Instructions: preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit 190 degrees Celsius. In a large skillet, heat some cooking oil over medium heat. Add the onions, garlic, and bell pepper, and sauté until they become soft and translucent. Add the ground meat and cook until it's browned and crumbled. Stir in the crushed tomatoes, frozen vegetables, tomato sauce, herbes de Provence, thyme, allspice, paprika, salt, and pepper. If you're using the Scotch bonnet or habanero pepper, add it at this point. Simmer the sauce for about 15 to 20 minutes, allowing the flavors to meld together. Adjust the seasonings and spiciness according to your taste. In a separate bowl, combine the ricotta cheese, grated Parmesan, egg, and salt and pepper to taste. Mix well. To assemble the lasagna, start with a layer of the meat sauce at the bottom of a greased 9x13-inch baking dish. Add a layer of cooked lasagna noodles on top of the sauce. Spread half of the cheese mixture over the noodles, followed by a layer of shredded mozzarella cheese. Repeat the layers, finishing with a layer of mozzarella cheese on top. Cover the baking dish with aluminum foil and bake in the preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes. Then, remove the foil and bake for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until the lasagna is bubbling and the top is golden brown. Let the lasagna rest for about 10 minutes before serving. This allows it to set, making it easier to cut into neat portions. Serve your Jamaican-style lasagna with a side of your choice, such as a tropical salad and garlic bread. This fusion of Italian and Jamaican flavors will surely tantalize your taste buds with its unique and spicy twist on the classic lasagna dish. Enjoy! That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, Share it with hashtag Oscar Island Style on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.